weight. In this class we are dealing with the concept called mass and the weight. So I wrote some of the important points regarding the mass. So what is mean by mass means it is the basic property of the matter. It is the basic property of the matter. Mass also one of the basic property of the matter. How we can define the mass as a, we can define mass as the amount of measure of the amount of matter in a body. For example, consider a substance. How much amount of matter present in it is called mass. How much matter present in it is called mass. So it also has the mass also has SI unit called kg. Mass has SI unit called kg. Next, mass of the body does not change at any time. We should remember this point. Mass of the body does not change at any time. It will not change its mass anytime, but certain conditions, like for certain extreme cases, huge amount of, for example, for a substance we provide huge amount of energy given or taken by a body, that time there should be a change in the mass. For example, nuclear reaction in which a tiny amount of matter is converted into huge amount of energy. You already hear that nuclear weapons, in which there will be a small amount of matter present in that nuclear weapon, that uranium you will fill in the nuclear weapon. But it produces a lot of huge amount of energy. This energy reduces the mass of the substance. This energy reduces the mass of the substance. So simple, mass is the basic property of matter. How we can define as a mass is a measurement of amount of matter present in it. What is the SI unit of mass? Is kg. Mass of the body does not change any time, but certain condition or extreme cases like huge amount of energy given or provided, for example nuclear reaction, there will be change in the mass, but in any case that mass remain as a constant. So these are the important points regarding the mass. In the weight, amount of force exerted by the gravity is known as weight. How much amount of force exerted by the gravity? Gravity means when the substance fell from the height, some amount of force exerted by the earth, that force is called gravity. So, and we have one formula to calculate the weight. What is that formula? Is W is equal to M into G, where W is the weight, M is the mass, and G is the gravitational due to acceleration due to gravity. So here we already know that the mass is very fixed value. This mass has fixed value, but G value is always changes by changing the places. For that, one of the good example is when I am standing on the earth, my weight is 68 kg. I will measure my weight is 68 kg. When I went to another planet, for example Mars, I went to another planet, my way, and then I measured my weight. I found it is 57 kg. There is a very change in the weight, because earth gravitational force compared with the Mars has less gravitational force than the earth. So our weight is going to change when we go another planet. Our weight will be differ. We have G value is fixed value on the earth. G value is 9.8. For G value is 9.8. And what is the SI unit of weight? In the weight, the main thing is force of the gravity. So what is the unit of force? That is the unit of the weight. So because force is the main concept in this weight, so weight is the force, it is the SI unit also same as that of the force. The SI unit of weight is Newton. What is the SI unit of weight? Is Newton. In the mass, what is the unit of mass? Is kg. So simple, nothing. In the mass we are going to calculate amount of matter present in the substance. In the weight, we are going to measure the amount of force exerted by the gravity, by the earth. And in mass, and we have one formula, W is equal to mass into acceleration. By this formula we can calculate mass, and we can calculate weight also. So this is one of the important concept. It is used while you are solving the problems. So thank you.